ngalelo birthday-ke angazi noma ngalibiza ibhadi or anything, but ngalelo birthday people love telling me their problems. And angazi maybe ngumuntu ogodinga encouragement, and whenever I say them, I tell them things or to comfort them or whatever, they feel light. That's what they tell me. So yeah, guys, that is I was not really in a mood of sharing this sensitive story because I've never told anyone this before. Like umuntu engike ngamtshela le story leso suka kubaluleke kakhulu empilweni yami. Even my people that I've been with, like friends, like kunjalo nje. So that is my story, guys. And yeah, man, very mangikhula high school, I also dealt with bullying. Like high school worse because now vele grade 8 vele kumele uqine vele bayakutshela ukuthi sisilana asumntwana lana, you are not a child anymore, kumele uqine lapho wena la enhlizweni yakho awuqinanga nje nhlobo. So I started going to studios game. My mom was not working. Usisi wami wayesebenza nje yabona ama-organization wasemakhasi. Ngasebenza ama-organization wasemakhasi nje, yabo. La khona ulo ehola boma 2000 lapho mama makasasebenzi siya-apply sizama-apply mama umsebenzi awumfuni. Sharp. Now I need to grow up now. Now I need to stand up now. Now I need to fight. Nanoma ngithandaza manje-ke ngokubona-ke manje inhlupheko manje escalator from level 7 to level 50. I know that. I know that. Manje-ke sokunzima sengibona ngambona umama egoqa phambi kwefridge athandazela ifridge. And you can make a joke with that, but trust me, you know, most of reach level level. So yabonakele kakhulu mntanami. Mama egoqa phambi kwefridge athandazela ifridge. After 5 minutes ingena umuntu emnyango phethe ama-plastic. That is the God that I serve. That is the God that